Want to live in Portugal while working remotely? Here's a quick guide to the Portugal Digital Nomad Visa, also known as the D8 visa. Step 1. Check if you qualify. This visa is for remote workers, freelancers, or business owners earning income from outside Portugal. Step 2. Meet the income requirement. For 2026, you generally need to show at least €3,680 monthly income, which is 4 times Portugal's minimum wage. Step 3. Prepare your documents. You'll need a valid passport, proof of remote work, employment contract or client contracts, bank statements, proof of accommodation, health insurance, and police clearance. Step 4. Choose your visa type. You may apply for a temporary stay visa or a residence visa, depending on how long you plan to stay. Step 5. Submit your application through the Portuguese consulate or visa center in your country. Step 6. Once approved, travel to Portugal and complete your residence process if required. Portugal can be a great option for digital nomads who want European living, culture, and Schengen access. Need help preparing your visa documents? Message ACES Visa today.